Kajala Miglaya had a Shpobaji misstep to Katarik Nailar Aja Arpo, Gladon Arpulang would Kibayok, Tamayo COVID-19, but Nyong would Kiblakot no. Nakiniki Arpulang would Kibi Tamai, Hadwing would get in the East Castle District, Hakaba Wade in a armed force, Prang would Kishipai BSF, but Arm would Kiru Paidba. Iwe Rio Paidba in South Garo Hills District, Iwe Rio Paidba in North Garo Hills District, but Shipo would KBSF in West Garo Hills District. Nakiniki Nyong would Kiblakot Pat, Iwe Ide in East Giant Hills District. Arngut na West Khas Hills District, Langut na East Khas Hills District, Iway na Riboy District, but kinibaro kide na kiriu paidba. Nakajingyo thamai kini ki Arpulangut Kajala Miglaya hadu bapanmi egani ka khubor kadon chia jar sispa 100% leak positive case, Hindrispa saupu artali ki active case, Sanspa khanyotali ki recovered case ban ringut ki blakhlat no. Nakini Hindrispa saupu artali ki active case ka East Khas Hills District kadon South Pa lai pulaitali hakaba khandai ringut ki dekishipai BSF as Pandri Pinyong Kiru Paidba, by Nyo Pungut Naka Armed Force. Ka West Khas Hills District Kadon Lightly active case, Southwest Khas Hills District Uway, Riboy District Kandai Puar, West Jantia Hills Kandriu, East Jantia Hills Sun, West Garo Hills Prapuar, Southwest Garo Hills R, South Garo Hills Lai, but North Garo Hills Santali active case.